Hello friends, and welcome in the another episode of DIY Master. And in this video I'm going to unbox this battery of Fujitsu Alpha 555 laptop. And in local computer market I didn't get for 6 months, almost 6 months. Then I contact to Raga IT Delhi, and then I got this battery. So this is for my Fujitsu Alpha 51 laptop. You can see this is the laptop actually, and I have got the old battery, but this battery is empty. This is just a case only. So let's get open it and check it whether it work or not. So this battery cost me around 3700 rupees. Shipping is included in that amount. You can see this is a very ordinary packing, and it doesn't have any brand like laptop power and Kijo sort of brand. And this is the tax invoice. You can see there is 6-month warranty with this battery pack, and that's a Rega IT Greater Noida based company. And you can see the total amount of 3799 rupees. And if I talk about the battery, you can see the ordinary case. The packing is quite good. I have ordered this battery just a week ago. So you can see there is a instruction: please read and remove before use. Okay, so that's really great. I can see it, and we can also able to, and that's a correct one actually. Everything is on its right place. So let's put this battery and see whether it's work or not. The battery is fitted perfectly. Let's open the laptop and see whether this battery work. You can see the light is turned on, and laptop is also boot. And say if I turn on the adapter, we can see there is an indicator for battery charging. Let's see whether it's work. You can see the light is turned orange. That shows that battery is now charging, and our laptop is also boot. As you can see, we can able to locate the icon here for laptop battery health. Even you can see there is a symbol for battery, and it's showing the charging 23 minutes to full charge. So we can conclude the battery is perfectly working. And I hope you enjoy that unboxing. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.